Tornado tag with multiple teams facing off. Things are going to get frantic fast.
Whatever team comes out of this with their hand raised is going to make a strong case for being.
Unique pinning combination.
Fending off a 2 count there.
Kicking out there really has to make his opponent question his game plan.
Setting it up.
Force going directly to the dome. That'll leave you seeing double for weeks.
Clubbing blow to the back. Leg swing.
Trying to get up. He has no clue what's in store for him here.
Does this style of match favor a more unhinged superstar?
Oh, yeah. You need a twisted imagination to take full advantage of a no disqualification match. That said, sometimes this match brings out a darker side you wouldn't expect in some superstars. Unbelievable athleticism.
Quick reflexes so important in a match like this.
This is what you do when you're looking to do more than win a match. You're looking to hurt someone.
Oh my goodness, are you kidding me?
Meanwhile, here's Shelley. Cover! There's 2.
He just won't give up.
Hoisted up.
To the steel steps.
He's going up.
Jarring strike to the back.
Oh, roundhouse kick. Saving, but then to Sabin.
Whoa, look out. That's going to be on highlight reels for a long time.
Incredible courage to even attempt that. Sent into the stairs. That'll stop anybody. There's the crucifix. Nicely done.
Looks like that really got him there.
Yeah, Haliburton came prepared for this matchup.
Tyrese making the climb.
Oh, whipped right into the diamond.
Reverse STO.
Alternating punches and chops in the corner.
Good grief, man. This is vicious.
And there's the cover. Meanwhile, we see Frazier.
And that can vanquish Axiom. This deep into the match, and he's able to kick out before a 1 count. It's stunning.
Here's a cover. Could be it. He comes to the rescue for his team.
And the knee.
Oh, jeez. Nasty kick to the face.
Using his body as a weapon.
Flatliner.
A great evasion through the legs.
Oh, caught that foot by surprise. Uh-oh.
Oh, to the back of the neck. What a lariat.
Spear. Nice. Is it enough? The cover. Meanwhile, we have Frazier.
Another attack to the head and looking a little dazed.
Basement kick to the side of the face.
Inside cradle applied, shoulders down.
Oh, that'll do it for Fraxiom. Knocked out of this match.
Frazier up top.
No way home.
Clubbing strike to the back.
Attack to the midsection. This is it.
A kick out at only 1.
It's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left in the tank.
Oh, has them.
By the neck. Choke slam.
Whoa, leaping through the air.
This could do it.
Nathan Frazier has been bounced out of this one. What a forearm. The Haliburton.
But can Haliburton close this out?
Haliburton with a course correction.
Definitely an earlier end of the night than planned.
Eliminated.
Face stop.
And he gets delivered back into the ring.
Oh! What's Jalen drawing up?
That's it. Shelly is out.
Cover! 2.
And they get the win. Outlasted every other team tonight.
Here are your winners. The team of Tyrese Haliburton and Jalen Brunson.
What an impressive performance and victory, surviving against every other superstar in this match.
Defying the odds, accomplishing the seemingly impossible. That's what elimination matches are all about.